What the heck? Okay, what? Oh my god. The trees were just like bending, like. Can you see that dust? It's raining! It's raining! Was that thunder? Oh my god! Oh, it's raining! How the... We're in San Diego and this place never rains. This place never rains or thunders at all. I haven't heard thunder in like a year. Like, no, ever since I moved away from here. There hasn't been any thunder whatsoever. Why is it pouring? Oh my god, look at the leaves. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? It's raining. Bro, why is it raining? Oh my god, that's thunder. That's thunder. See that? That's 100 degrees. You see that? I'm gonna go outside for a tour. You see that? Oh my god. Why is it pouring all of a sudden? I didn't ask for this, but thank you. This is weird as heck. One day it's just scorching hot and sunny and no clouds in sight. That's thunder! Oh my god! That's thunder. That's thunder. That's thunder. Oh my god. It's thunder. I did not ask for thunder. Duke, did you ask for... Duke, did you ask for thunder? Look outside. Come here. Come here, Duke. Look. Look at outside. Look. Are you afraid? I am. It was just like scorching outside, like scorching hot, like extremely hot. And then it starts thundering out of nowhere. And it never thunders here. And the wind is just picking up. Is there a hurricane hitting here or something? I'm in California. This is not okay. I don't approve of this sudden weather change. This is not common for our area at all. This is like a rare sight. The rain's... I think the rain's coming. No. This is weird. Oh, there it is again. Thunder. Get out. Humid with some sun. By the way, that's the reflection. It's not actually the weather. This is the weather right here. Oh my god. What even was that? What even is this? Is it still raining? I think it still is. Yeah, it is. What is this? What is this? It does not rain here. It does not thunder here. I'm gonna wait for another thunderclap. What is this? It never rains or thunders here. This is just weird. I'm weirded out. Come here, Crit. No, stop. Stop. Crit, we're gonna go see something. You see that? What? I can hardly see anything. Oh, what the heck? It's raining. Yes, it's raining. Are you blind? No, I'm not blind, but apparently it's raining, and I heard like rumbling outside. I guess that's thunder. Yes, it is thunder. Looks like it's starting to calm down.
Are we losing the essence of the game, or do you still think it's necessary?
I'm just surprised. Generally surprised. I don't know why that this has just started happening. Anyways, I'm like getting the 6 minutes of ranting about why it's raining and thundering outside. I don't care if you leave a like, or I don't care if you subscribe. It'd be nice if you would. I don't really care about anything. If you do my channel, I really care about the comments. I just like seeing comments. I don't care about the likes or the subscribing. I just like seeing the comments and just reading them. They're sometimes really funny. But leave a comment on why the heck is this happening? Part 50,000. Because I don't even know anymore. And I'll see you all later. Leaf.